Hi, how are you doing? This is Takashiro. Today I'm going to show you how to set true nodes. Let's get started. I have just opened a new project file with architecture template. Let's look at properties, and it's shown with project nodes, which means that the top of the display is called nodes, and bottom is called south, and the left hand side is west, and the right hand side is east. So this is the general setting of Revit. Okay, for instance, I'm going to make wall and some grids. And let's compare with the actual survey map. It should be something different with this. Okay, for example, the survey map show north is this way, and if you locate the drawings to following true north, it's not good and not easy to draw. So you should keep project north just just like this. And what we're going to do next is to change and set true north. So let's click project north and choose true north, and then go to manage and position and rotate true north. So click blue circle and drag and drop to here, and click the edge of the line and rotate forward to the top of the screen. The direction of north is always above side of the screen. So let's go back to project north. Okay, that's all. So I'm going to show you how to check the true north. So let's turn on some paths. See, so the setting of the sun is following true north here and here is the direction is totally the same. So let's go to 3D view as well. Down the sun and down the shadow. So the shadow is following the sun setting. Okay, that's all about how to set true north. Thanks for watching and see you next time.